Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Well, today we bring you very serious news from South Sudan. This is not just politics. This is about human life, soldier, civilian, families, and children. We have two major stories. First, we'll talk about a court case about the Nasser attack where a senior army commander was killed. And second, we'll talk about heavy fighting in Jonglei state where many people died and thousands ran away from their home. Please stay with us until the end. If you are new to this channel, to Changfied YouTube channel, please, I would like you to tap the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin our report with the Nasser attack court case. Let us begin with what happened in Juba, the capital city of South Sudan. On January 7, 2026, a special court continued hearing a case about the attack on Nasser town, which happened in March 2025. This case involved first Vice President Dr. Machatan, the South Sudan suspended first Vice President, and 7 other accused people. They are facing very serious charges, including murder, treason, terrorism, destruction of public property, and crime against humanity. These charges come from the Nasser garrison attack where many soldiers were killed. So, who was General David Majudak? Let us first understand who General David Majudak was. General Majudak was a senior commander in the SSPDF, the National Army, based in Nasser, Upper State, known as a strong and firm officer. In March 2025, fighting broke out in Nasser between government forces, SSPDF, and SPLIO forces linked to first Vice President Dr. Machatan, according to the report. During this attack, General Majudak was killed. The witness, Sergeant Mayen Kolchan. In court, a man named Sergeant Mayen Kolchan testified. Mayen Kolchan was a bodyguard to General Majudak, a survivor of the Nasser attack, the 6th witness out of 16. He spoke slowly and carefully in court. He said something very important. What did the witness say? According to Sergeant Mayen, after the SPLIO forces captured Nasser town, Dr. Riek Machar, the first Vice President, called General Majudak on the phone. The call happened over 3 days. During this call, Machar asked General Majur to surrender. He asked him to hand over his weapon and to submit to SPLA-IO forces, according to the report. According to the report, Major General Majur refused to surrender. He chose to stay in his position and remain with his SSPDF soldier and not surrender his weapon. After this refusal, the witness said, Dr. Riek Machar ordered that General Majur gun be taken by SPLIO forces. This statement is very serious. That is why the court is carefully listening. The witness said Sergeant Mayen also told the court about his own suffering. He said he was arrested and detained by SPLIO forces. This happened on March 7, 2025, after the Nasser attack. To be released, his family had to pay $6,000. The money was sent from Ethiopia. It was given to a man named Gatong. The money was received in Ethiopia Bur. This shows how families suffer during war. Even so, their families are forced to sell everything to save life. After payment, according to the report, his family bought him a plane ticket. He traveled from Pagak to Juba. So let's look at question from defense lawyer. During cross-examination, defense lawyer asked many questions. They asked, was Pagak under SSPDF control at the time? Mayen answered, yes, I knew it was under SSPDF control, but I did not say I was a soldier. He said he tried to hide his identity to protect himself. At Juba airport, he was taken to military intelligence, investigated by a joint military committee. Another question was about language. The defense asked, how did he understand the phone calls? Mayen explained, Dr. Machar and Majur spoke in Nuer language. Well, according to him, he also said General Majur's phone was working, but Machar chose to use his own phone. Army leader could still reach Majur directly, he said, and that General Majur was fluent in Nas or in Nuer language. The court stopped briefly because some photos were missing. Clerks were told to find them. Later photos were shown in court. Defense lawyer claimed the person in the photo had broken teeth. Maye replied clearly, I do not have broken teeth. The picture did not show me well. This moment showed tension inside the courtroom. The judge Jimmy Salala Deng ended the session. The next hearing is on January 12th. The court will decide whether a witness should testify off camera for their protection. This shows how dangerous this case is. Let's move on to our second top story. Daily fighting in Jonglei State. Now let us move to Jonglei State, another painful story. On January 2nd, 2026, heavy fighting broke out in Yai Town, Uror County. Yai is the administrative center of Uror County. According to local officials, SPLA-IO forces attacked Yai. Fighting lasted about 80 minutes. The battle was very heavy. At least, according to the report, 70 people were killed, including soldiers and civilians. The town was looted, destroyed, left empty. Shops were broken into, markets were destroyed, people ran away to save their life. Majuk Shop Urur County Information Director said this is the 6th time Yai has been destroyed since 2013, but this one is the worst. He said 10 of 1,000 fled, the county commissioner was evacuated, and government work stopped. Yai is now almost empty. The situation is now very bad, they said. Displaced people have no food, have no shelter, and are drinking dirty water. According to the report, boreholes were destroyed. Children are sleeping in the open. Mothers are crying for help. This is a humanitarian disaster. Many people ran to swamp inside Uror or across into Duke County. Duke County Commissioner confirmed about 7,000 people arrived. They are spread across many villages. They urgently need help. 8 organizations pull out for safety, and some move to Bo Town. This makes the suffering even worse. Well, these two stories show one thing clearly. Court case show justice is slow. Truth is hard. Fear is everywhere. Fighting shows civilians always pay the price. Children lose education. Family lose home. Well, this channel call on political leaders, military leaders, regional mediators. Please put people first. Stop using gun. Protect civilian. Respect peace agreement. South Sudanese people are tired. They want peace. They want light. Thank you for watching Changfied. If you believe in peace, share this video. Speak for the voiceless. Stand for humanity. Until next time. Thank you for watching. Biya kamal ka Changfied YouTube channel. Mi jiram jidit gwasa me ka Changfied YouTube channel. Gor jeno jinder channel dedi support. Bana like tin konde lat korodian. Ngane konen tuok ke tin choden lare wika South Sudan. To kon gele dangro to very important to der under the palping kalien. Bana lernya bana jeling ka kwi first vice president Dr. Machar lukan cha luke en wale. Bana je tok kamenyam ami jiram jidit goro no jin be subscribe ke bi channel bi support. Ka shanga barro ka paikel ronkin dangro jan dangro bakel. Chai special court chai nyoko mirlo ke jetin ka kwi lok first by president Dr. Machar. Luga me kwi kore da ne chito ka Nasser chire mangai kone kore chito ka pai diok ronkin dangro jan dangro de diech. En case me ke luga mani luga loka Dr. Machar kan ne dang barotin kone tika kel. Kan loka ke ka kwi lede da ne chito cha ka gwanya no ken chigna chicken kan chire mangai kone. And wo kan chicken Norway ami chicken ka sponsor ke chicken kuma chicken de cap. So mi na me ka kwi ko ran je to ga Nasser che jojo gano charing Machar kan ne ga dang baro cha ka gwany. Senior Commander KSSPDF Major General K. David Majudak charge nagare Kurumo. General Majudak jana Senior Commander KSSPDF National Army Tere Wiki Nasser Kapanala State Kawi Yara Diu Jan Gwazdani Changa. General Manga Kelong Kapaya Diorun Kidan Yandang Rodi Major Kor Major Talk Nasser Shu Government Force SSPDF kan Norway Army KLK SPLI won chagwan no chimat kan Norway Army shukor mo chotuok chwa David Gerald Majudak chwa jana gwadmi wa kwaje evacuating chimajo chupkaje kajan ne de kab medan e kuma SPLI wo lo chi SPLI wo bachigan de mo kred bane ko kan de kon ko le kap nan kan de torbiya bon mission mo kan lada gwa kuma marai ke kim yadi chicken first by President Dr. Machar chicken chakan wo jana te kititin kan ne ka dang baro kon te kel kajo chalat gwasame wa bodyguard edan ete kel ke Major General Majudak jen she right ka court me chanangat jen chale mayen kolchan jen che testify ka court ka cha right jen bodyguard dung General Majudak jen che survive ka kore dan chi talk jen nen en bakalian kan nen dangwal bakal tin content lat ka ngaiden ka ku kore dan chi talk jen che right ka court ki gwalok ka jo chalat gwasme yala do nene ka korga me shi SPLA ayu kanen werwa yami chicken Nasser garrison chicken ma ka chicken capture ajana chi Dr. Machar chi go right kana General Majudak ka telephone Dr. Machar chalor chi right kana General Majudak ka telephone ka kujimo ajani chi guten ganin dang diok ka konin dang diok re rajamo right ni Dr. Machar kana General Majudak ichi Dr. Machar jogono jinu ku saranda jodan chalat cha nyawra bogwas mani anu mai ku tumne ka kamni ka kuma SPLI go anyok ku SPLI ko jagobu mai ku cap and then be baji evacuate you know she Major General Majudak che refuse no der saranda ka jodan chalat you know chala do bete KLK dinika chala bete KLK SSPDF chen bi saranda ka chen me ka chen ga butu ano ka korga mi che lok chu Dr. Machar wa chu dor chu jeto beno General Majur kana meke wa chu GSPLI wo chu kan me chu kana kan according to report ana chala good money ka kwiko che right ka rajamo chinere kon te ka court chicken charge ni kan latin ko do badana lat good me ka je badu ngaje gwano me tok war chi tok en mayen ka jodan chalat gwas me chala do nene ajena point che chuch gwas eran chi ko tok tin ajani chalaram cha kep ke cha arrest re ku SPLI go ajana ka chang baro ka pai diok ron ki dang ro dich kwade dan ci kuri to ka Nasser ajani cho ajelun ka kor me cha yuru chop ke kin dam bakel cha yur pinya $6,000 ajani yu cha ka jak ro Ethiopia ayu to cha ka kamun mishal ka gatong ci gatong yuti $6,000 che receive ke Ethiopia nagaina $6,000 de ka chubude na ngoda ba kan yuro to wa chi chub ko Ethiopia ga jodan chalat ajen jodan chalat na mon ajen shi family de shi yu gana yorpin ta da na ngai kon je so mi je to yes der ne je galong dundo chi kan la do ne me mi choda lat ajen shi family de shi kan mo ke ticket mi je na ka je ka Ethiopia but kan ben kan we role Ethiopia chuda me cho jene jene cho ka paga ajene cho yoga paga ka cho ka juba we kone ka paga cha tim ticket de chemane kwana mandana chalat gwa kwana jeling tem chalat cross examination mi chalat akuma SPLI ka tada na chuda me cho ra ka je cha cross examination cha jela de la nyinga yalla yalat tike je ka je ci defend lawyer Dr. Machar ci ka question kan ka tup ci kan tije no en pagak taping SSPDF wala taping SPLI ci laro taping SSPDF ajena ngaje no taping SSPDF lo SSPDF ku de control but ajena kana lar no yene ande me ko de ajena che identity da ke chara ki ta dan de ngai je anu ande kana goro ba je la de nya jen shudu da jen chwa chu ke jibo airport ne ke chobde jen chwa nan ka military intelligence chwa investigate a joint military committee ke chobde na mo je nan chalat lo kan ro de nyode nya SSPDF ka paga anyok gwasme charoy ke kwital phone ka cha nyu tini ke telephone danan chi men chala do chi da kuma chara chi yat another question mo chi defend lawyer chi gitich ano kuila ngajidi en phone call dan chi to kam da kuma char kene jera majur ajene da kuma char kene majur right ken ka tuk nuare right ken no language ko jeral majur ngay tuk nuare chala do nena ajene jeral majur telephone leda gwase dan ajene dakma char to use telephone de ba ajene kane ko la deni la yot kan jeral majur ka directly ngwada money ka tije me jati ke je cha ko cha chu nyom yot ke jok but tege de chalat gwase me teke turni ka jen kwi wud na me malade no te gwade dan to korten tege turn de tel charam dan la click cha jogo no bi turn bika gur ko turn ba nyu ka court akan turn do to ke turn content joje no wude me ram kel mite gwade dan to korten ci defalo yori ci kan la do nene ram te ka photo wachi jen gude mo ram te ka photo wa ram ma ci leke ci ka tet leke ci ka tet ke leke ci ka tol ci mayen la do nene antel leke ti ci tol which mean that a janiture kana nyoda gwa so ngwado mo chagu je no take rek mutle che latin ko kana ngi gature ngi no dong jen kajana kaj ko kana ngi ture charam danen te ka ture chagu but wachi kan chat ko ture wati ram chi leide tool ka je wudu me chala do jen leide kana tool manji to gene ci jajji misale la deng she searching che UN and a share code issue adjoint share kapjo allo en special code hearing anyen dok bir barodien ko wala jendiwut bakelen ba jelat ke changa waro ka pay ke ron kin dangro jandangro bakal yen changa dar bana nyogo nyurtun jen gwa dana ba jo decide whether witness mo ke ne ko ken witness ko ken me de testify tera camera chaga tur ke de testify de gweke wa ba jo jeka kwiko wa ken nganga ke ko chaga de ngaje no ka ngani ken indian ka tai dan ci ko ci to ko ja wana ka lere rode na me kore dan ci to ko Jonglei state chala do ne na kore dan ci to ke ne wan ce ganak kore ci to ka UI town ano ke January 2nd 2026 kore ci to ka UI town ken Urur County ano NUI ken Urur County ka administrative center Urur County so man ci to gene ci local officially kala do nena kuma spele ayo meche yu aisha jamak wa kurmo chote ka ta kel mutiwi ka minen janang jokalo maden dial minen jan badak cho korcho de tena long are kurmo wachi 70 people ne jan baro chik luton tanat ke deni tanat ke civilian wich na mo jo mu chora lat so kore dan ci tuog ne jan baro chik luton ku kore dan ci tuog so ne me janana gode nyal konkel mi jiram jiri goro jen bi Changfied YouTube channel bi support bi subscribe bi notification bell je twany kom tem ci bare be chamala ci be kije an bi atega mal bye bye